Hey, I got a quick question for you. Do you have a product, service, or opportunity? Are you a coach, consultant, or a speaker? Or you're looking to change people's lives? You love the product, you love the service, you love the opportunity.
Hi, my name is Nicole Johnson. I'm from Tucson, Arizona, and I'm one of Jim Parr's students. I knew that being an employee wasn't going to allow me the time and the freedom and also the ability to make the money that I wanted to create the life that I wanted. And I'm so excited to celebrate and share with you that I just signed my very first client of several $1,000s, and there's so many more to come. My future has never been brighter. I've never been more excited to wake up every morning, stepping into my power and knowing that I have a team and a coach that is so invested in my success.
I provide you the tactics, the strategies, the done-for-you framework to accelerate your process and help you work less and make more money. Forget the 9 to 5. Instead, you get to do what you're passionate about, which hopefully means helping others. I know exactly how you feel. My name is Jim Parr, and over the past few years, I went through all these, and when I first got online about 10 years ago, I struggled like 3 years straight, spending a ton of money without any results, ready to give up. It was bad. I'm telling you, it was bad. It wasn't until I learned a step-by-step strategy to attract an endless flood of clients and ideal clients, clients that on a consistent basis, I provide you all the done-for-you strategies, the blueprints, everything you need to get you where you want to go. I've had many years of proof to show you that this really works.
Yeah, so I am a gym owner. I've been in the fitness industry for about 8 years. I was looking for something to do to make extra money on the side to help boost both businesses. Honestly, you could expect getting your first client. In 30 days, you will learn everything you need to know. Honestly, I'd probably tell them to jump right in. It's what I did. It's what the other guys did. You're a great mentor. You're there. You're literally a text or call away. Whenever I need someone or a question answered, you're literally right there. You answer right away. It's kind of like you hold our hand for the first, 60 days, 90 days, however long we need it. And it's awesome. It works. I mean, it's probably the best program. And I've done a few different ones, so I can honestly say this is the best program I've been in.
All you need to do is choose if you want to be successful. I'm doing 100% free training this week. It's a free webinar. All you have to do is click on the button below and register. And I'm going to be sharing with you that step-by-step how to attract that endless flood of ideal clients that will pay you good money and grow serious in their business, impact people all across the globe. I'm going to share with you exactly how to do this. This week, we have limited seating, so I highly recommend that you do it right now and show up early because we're going to max out.